Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal Honey for cashback affiliate style promotions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.joinhoney.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you need to enter your registered email address in the first field. Below that, input your password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box next to Remember Me. Now, click the Sign In button to access your account. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. To promote cashback offers, navigate to the Cashback section in the main menu. In the Cashback section, explore various available offers and promotions. Click on any promotion to get more details. Here, you'll find links to affiliate-style promotions that provide cashback. You can also share these links with your audience. To track your earnings, regularly check the My Earnings subsection. This area keeps you updated on your total cashback earned. To maximize your earnings, consistently promote cashback offers across your platforms. Remember to stay informed about new promotions by checking back frequently. This tutorial equips you with the essential steps to successfully log in and start earning through PayPal Honey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.